push. See, that's his power. Go back. On that power there, go. I accomplished it. Did you guys know? He put, I called both hands as one. He put one on me. This is wrong. Go. Go. Also wrong. Go. Why is this one not wrong?
Because you moved down.
He was on the line.
He has a move. I added a move. Watch again. What was that? I touched his knee, so I added a move. Otherwise, when he makes move, I'm fighting here, or I'm letting go here. So I actually attached that power to here. He's fighting his own knee now. Now he makes another move, whatever it is. So here, and it goes here. So watch again, that's knee move here. Whatever I do, something happens. I deliver that knee onto his own shoulder. And then another move. And it's using here. I go over on his back. So this is to show you, but in reality you never understand because you don't go like this. Go now.